In some silly season news from across the pond, MXGP style, we have the news today that the MXGP Kawasaki race team have announced they have signed Paul Jonas to join Roman Fevra as the second rider, teammate, whatever you want to call it, for their 2025 at least adventure, or at least not adventure, what do you want to call it, campaign. Pauls did have a quote saying, "First of all, I would like to thank my previous team for the amazing 4 years we spent together, and I'm super excited to join the Kawasaki racing team. Every rider dreams of racing for a factory team. I've worked with Antti in the past, and I see how well he runs the team, so I'm delighted to be given this opportunity. It will be the first time that I will be working with a Japanese factory team, and having seen how well the bike has worked the last 2 years, is a dream to be riding the KX450 SR. Now it's time to go work to achieve the best results. Hopefully, we can battle for some wins." Obviously, Jonas is a MX2 champion from 2017, so pretty good opportunity for him to move over to a factory squad, however you want to say it, coming from, correct me if I'm wrong, from Standing Constructs, who isn't a team anymore as far as I know. But it's always a good thing to, if you're a rider, definitely to move to a factory squad. Whether you're the first rider, the second rider, whatever, however the dynamics work. If you get to be on a factory squad with all the trick parts, the best bikes, and trainers and everything else, it's always a good thing. Obviously, privateers are kind of the backbone of it, but if you're good enough to get onto one of the bigger teams, you're definitely going to take that opportunity, and hopefully he runs with it. I like MXDP because you get to see just more of the world. Motocross in America is neat, but you see basically the same tracks every single year. And I guess you can say the same thing about MXGP, but it's different when you're seeing a track from Italy to Turkey. To me, it's cool. It's a different change of pace, but I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments below. Do you watch MXGP? Are you just an American motocross fan? What do you think of this move for him, for the team? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.